Hello, everybody. My name is Jim Carey. I'm the Chief of Artificial Intelligence at my own company, Team Solutions Consulting. We're on the web at www.tscinc.ai. We also, obviously, a YouTube channel here. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Give me an idea. Reach out to me directly on my website. My email is jfcareyis@tscinc.ai. That'll be in the description section here, as well as some other contact information. But please engage and tell me what you'd like to see going forward on some of these things. Today's topic is why we should all be excited about artificial intelligence. I'm just going to do the medical community. Spoiler alert, what we grew up with and what we think is modern medicine is going to look like 1850s Civil War medicine, 1860s Civil War medicine in just a few years. And I'm going to show you just a couple of examples of that. We're going to start with CRISPR. CRISPR has been a problem uh, in the community for a long time, and 30,000 patients. See if I can get this to come up. Oh, not that one. It's breast cancer. There we go. Oh, not that one. Sorry, guys. Ah, there we go. Sickle cell anemia. Sorry. Pardon that glitch. So sickle cell is a blood-borne cancer. 98% of the victims are African American or African descent in the world. 30,000 of them joined this CRISPR-led study. It finished in 2023 with all 30,000 of these people being forever devoid of this. This is a horrible disease. And it's one of a dozen of blood-borne cancers that AI and the research community are working on right now. The other one I wanted to show was breast cancer. Here, in the last couple of months, we have found a breast cancer, detected it 5 years before a human could. So, all of you wondering when AI is going to be smarter than humans, we passed that point about a year ago. It's still at the point where humans need to drive it, though. AI is not coming for you, it's coming for you to drive it. I want you to really take heart in that. Um, so, this also, I could do another video on energy sector, but just in the last 12 months, if you can think of an EV going 300 miles between charges, realize that we've doubled that. It'll be 600 miles within a year. We'll have batteries in EVs from Samsung and other manufacturers. So I'll probably show some other videos about how it's going to affect transportation, both in the mechanical and in the labor, as well as in the healthcare industry, what we should see. I also have for the legal community and other professional communities. So there's a lot of changes coming. I hope you like these videos and um, please reach out. And AI changes everything. You need a 3-year roadmap plan if you're an individual, if you're a business owner, or if you're just rising in your corporate profession. If you haven't figured out the basic skills required to harness AI, what we call at Team Solutions AI Dragon Rider course. AI is a magical dragon, does really cool things. And here, I'll give you an example. We're just going to jump over and we're going to close it with this. Let's see, we'll get rid of that. We'll go back to this one. This is an example of Anthropic's Claude. I spoke to life this prompt. This is a prompt, and we're just going to hit go. And it's going to tell us what other things are coming to us. Um, which is incredibly fast, incredibly secure. Lung cancer, prostate cancer. Look at what's going on here. Look what's going on. This is coming to us. This is coming to the humanity. Don't be afraid of AI. Become a dragon rider. Thanks so much. I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. I am Jim Carrey, the Chief of Artificial Intelligence. Let's have some fun.